Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's important for the growth of a YouTuber, so that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, today is another great day because we got another box. And today the box is the base box. If you're not familiar on my channel, I normally get 2 base boxes and 2 premium boxes that I pay for. However, during the Luxe month, one of my accounts upgrades to the Luxe, and the Luxe we got so early in the month. So if you didn't see that video, the boxes this month for me have been home runs. I got the Luxe very early. I got my first premium that had the Charlotte Tilbury foundation in it. That was absolutely fantastic. That box was through the moon. It was the nicest way to start the month. And I got that A1A. Everything has been so amazing, and it's been coming like really early at the beginning of the month, and it's so exciting. So this time, this month, because of the Luxe, I only get 1 base box. So I was only able to choose 1 item. However, what I did do is in the drop shop, I think it was the Mega Drop Shop then, I was able to purchase some of the items that were other choice items that I was kind of wish I had my 2 boxes this month, because the base had so many fantastic items to choose from for choice. So on this one, I hands down knew what I wanted, and the other one would have been nice to get. However, I made sure that when I went in, this was the first thing that I clicked on to get. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I have shared this with you almost in every video that I've been waiting for this box to get this palette. This is the blush palette from Ofra. I saw a few girls who get PR from this brand, and I love this brand. This brand, to me, the highlighters are the goal for all highlighters. And whenever I had an opportunity through Ipsy, who now owns Boxycharm, to get a lot of Ofra, I did, because there was a great relationship then. And now, because of the relationship now of Ipsy buying Boxycharm, we're starting to see Ofra in the Boxycharm as well. And we've been seeing it for a while. So this is so exciting that something that we saw that's one of their newer launches is in one of our boxes. It's everything and more. So if you're not familiar, the base box is around $28 now. It's free ship in the USA. It comes with a card with the information and the retail price on here. To me, the choice item always more than pays for the box, and everything else in here is something for me to play with. So let's get started, and I will share with you all the information that's on the card. So the first item that's in here, and I'm going to do some swatching of this because I cannot wait to play with this. So this is from Ofra Cosmetics. This is the Charm Your Cheeks Mini Blush Palette. They're saying don't stare directly at your cheeks while wearing this hypnotizing blush palette. It's made with Ofra's liquid baked technology. This is a 6-pan blush palette. It's long wearing and ultra pigmented with shades from alluring baby pinks to electrifying orange. And if you hit pan, don't worry, you could remix or refill all of your favorite shades in this magnetic and completely refillable palette. This alone is $39 in a $28 a month box. They also made this as a Boxy exclusive. So some of the shades that we saw when the girls got it in PR may be different than this, simply the PR that I'm talking about directly from Ofra Cosmetics. So this is what this looks like here. There is no mirror inside. There is one of these great shields that are fantastic to keep so that everything stays in place. They have these little points inside here which helps you take the actual product out to refill. I have very rarely hit pan on any blushes, and I wear blush every single day. These colors look beyond stunning. So let's do some swatches. I don't see any names or anything on here. So to me, oh, they're on the back. So what I'll do is I will just swatch them, and then we'll just look at them this way here. So those are the first 3 that are here. I have other blushes from Ofra and I enjoy them so much that I wanted to make sure to be able to get this palette. And I've been keeping my eyes open, and I came this close to buying it from Ofra's website because they had a phenomenal sale. And then I started to see some sneak peeks that said that there was going to be a blush palette from this brand. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna hold off. And I've gotten really good at it because I have way more than I can ever use or need. This is more, you know, wants than needs on this channel. So for me, this was something that I wanted. So if it came in a box, it's a gift. And that's what I was patiently waiting for, or the price was too good to resist. And that's when I end up purchasing as well. So that's the first item to me that more than paid for the box. I also got an email early on that they said one of my boxes was going to have a duplicate item in it, and they gave me $12 to spend in the upcoming, the one that's going on now, the drop shop. So I had $12. I'm not sure which item is the duplicate. I'm gonna have to double check. I know for sure one of them is one that I received before in my premium box, but we'll get there when we get there. I get a lot of, I purchase a lot of boxes for the channel. I also do a lot of sneak peeks. So a lot of times I might see something that I've shared with you guys through the sneak peeks, and I think I have it, and then I go to look for it in the area that it should be in, and it's not there. So it might be something I've spoken about, but it's not something that I own. So I'll go through all that with you as well. But this, I was able to find two of the items in my stash that I pulled out for us right now here. So this first one is from Aceology. This is a detoxifying treatment mask. This is a $69 value on its own, and this I currently own. So I pulled this one from my stash, and I have a whole area where I keep my masks. So this one I definitely tried. It is still sitting out on the counter, which means I wanted to use it again, which is always a good sign. This says it is a supercharged health retreat for congested skin. It's working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogging pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal antibacteria is a purification power that will unrival with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt, and the antioxidant-laden botanicals will balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. I'm impressed with this brand. I got introduced to this brand through either Ipsy or Boxycharm, and I got their masks in the last set of boxes last month. And there were 3 in a pack, and I ended up using already 2 of them. And with all the masks that I have, I found that the benefits that I got after this one and how my skin looked afterwards was really impressive. So I'm really impressed with this Aceology brand. So anytime I can get this and either a backup or be able to share it is one that I'm always excited to have the opportunity to talk about. The next one I was hoping was going to be in my box because this is a brand that I absolutely love, and it's called Illamasqua. And this is the box that came here, and inside here was a setting spray, and I love my setting sprays. It made such a difference in my makeup. First of all, it's good also to, there's some sprays that are for refreshing your skin and when you're doing skincare and when you're doing treatments like the mask treatments that afterwards you do. A setting spray really helps at the end of all of your makeup. This helps get all your powders to sink into your face so you look flawless. And it also, I find when I use setting sprays that my makeup lasts so much longer. And you know, they're fantastic. So this one here is called the Hydra setting spray. This is a $26 retail. It says it is a lightweight mist that will lock in the makeup for a flawless dewy finish. It is a non-sticky formula that dries fast to set your makeup all day. It's infused with peptides, which are rich in amino acids. It will leave the skin feeling refreshed as well as moisturized. So I'm gonna just spray this because I did not check to see what the mist was like on this. And always when you're doing this, always shake the ingredients first and always put one spritz out into the world and then put it on your face. That's what I always do. So you don't, this way you know if the spritz formula is there, if the spritzer sometimes with setting sprays can get stuck and then you'll end up with like a real shot on your face. This way you can prime it before you put it on your face. I do not feel any scent to this, but it did dry very, very quickly. I'm really like excited to have this because this was on my list that if it wasn't in my box, I was hopefully gonna find it in the drop shop. The next item in here is one that I got 2 of last month. And last month I had a completely duplicate Boxycharm Premium that I did an entire box giveaway. And Mary Catherine was the one that won that entire box. It's been such a long time that one of my giveaways in another channel had one in my giveaways. So this is really, really exciting that I had the opportunity to watch her unbox it, and her excitement was everything and more. So this one here is the Vike Beauty. It is a MakeupMelt. It is a makeup removing spray with skincare benefits. This MakeupMelt has 4 key ingredients for nourishing your skin and also for makeup removal, leaving your skin bright and clean and renewed. No wipes or pads are needed. Simply spray your makeup mist. It will remove your makeup, giving you that spa-like experience at home. And this is a $24 value. The other one here is going to go into my gifts for later. I'm always hesitant when it's products that are liquids, but this one is completely sealed. And when I saw her, you know, my brother's really good at packing because of our company, improving lifestyles and stuff and where we come from. He did such a great job, and her box came in pristine condition. So I think I'll be okay in that to put it into the gifts for later. So this is the Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover Spray with the skincare actives, and it will clean and nourish. I think I tried this once. I'm gonna try it again tonight, but I felt it wasn't oily at all. I was really impressed with this. I left it out on my counter so that I would try it again. For me, I always take my eye makeup off with micellar water and cotton rounds. And I use different ones for my eyes simply because I don't want to have any cross-contamination. So this is something that I think I would use all over my face. The mist is really nice. I thought it would be the type that would, like, you know, go in my hair and all that, and it really didn't. So really, I'm going to have an opportunity to try this again, and now somebody else will have an opportunity to try it as well. So excited about that. The next item that we got in here was this item, and this is called the Styledry. It is a coconut and fig hair mask, and it says this super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and murmuro butter for a healthy, hydrating, and glossy hair. It's a must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you that ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will be moisturized, silky, and shiny as never before. And this one is $16.95. This is a new brand to me. Coconut and fig sound like they would be really nice. I'll read the directions if it's something that you have to leave on your hair. Usually when it's something like that, I will, you know, wash my hair, do all that, and if I have to stay within the shower to this, then, you know, I usually would take these with me on like a vacation type thing. So I will see it. I don't use a lot of hair masks. I really enjoy more the conditioners that you could leave on afterwards. I still have to try my K18 that's sitting in a special spot. So there's a lot of these hair masks that I still have to try. So this one I'm going to leave sealed up for now. And that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm base box for the month of March. I think it is a nice box, but to me, I was waiting for this box. Either way, what was inside really didn't matter to me as long as I got my Ofra blush. I'm happy that this is a, you know, Aceology mask because these masks are really nice, but it is something that I already own, so this might be the duplicate. But like I said, I'm gonna have to check my notes. I really don't know what is from Ipsy and what is from Boxy at this time. This was a product that I wanted. This is a product that I already have and enjoy, and then a hair mask to me is like a, for me, but it does not mean that it's not a good product. It's a brand that is new to me. At one point, I will play with this, probably more in the summertime. But like I said, I have so much on my counter to play with right now that that is gonna stay in an area to try for later. And that's everything. So please share with me in the comments down below if you received any of the same items and if you had the opportunity to play with any of them yet. I would love for you to share that in the comments as well. And that's it for today, guys. So everyone continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.